This is Marion. Besides being the information officer for Waterwheel Works Park, I am the librarian at the Park Library, a modest but adequate library specializing in what? If you guessed books, you would be nearly as right as rain, which falls here an average of 7,200 minutes each year. The next time you are at the park, and it becomes too rainy for outdoor fun, check out our library. It is just behind the giant water slide in the shape of Paul Bunyan's horse. That's the slide, not the library. Our library has up to 350 books at any time, if none are currently out on theft. You don't need a library card here, because we don't normally check out books. Many patrons check me out, but I mostly stay behind the counter. We have a wide variety of postcards, and also a variety of wide postcards, all or most of which are one price. The one exception is a postcard of me which is life-size and costs a bit more. Many people say it is worth the price. If you found this information useful, please let me know before midnight tonight. Again, this is Marion, the librarian at Waterwheel Works Park, off Interstate 13 at the rose-colored glasses exit.